Well, this is slowly looking like this may be the end of the road for Uber, no pun intended. In today's video, we are taking a look at just why so many Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting right now, what they're doing, what they're leaving to. So many are getting other jobs, making way more money, doing basically the same thing. So please thumbs up the video if you think drivers deserve more pay. And I do want to thank our sponsor, Current, who is helping gig workers, Uber, Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. So if you're ever behind on your bills, on your payments, they'll help you out. There's no fees on overdraft if you ever go negative, up to $200. They understand gig workers, and it's all free to sign up. So check out the link below for Current, and they pay you money when you fill up gas with their card. It's all free, no gimmicks. Check it out. And now let's get started too. So this comes in our Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group. Robert Yindra said, for next week Quest promotion, it looks awful. Cheap promotion, which means $1.11 per ride in South Florida. Look at this. They're throwing out you doing 60 trips or 50 trips and earning $45. Look how low these promotions are. What do you guys think about that? Would you accept any of these promotions? I know it's a little hard to see, but you guys see it. 60 trips, $65. 70 trips, $120. Do you think the pay is worth it? And gas prices are through the roof, over $6 a gallon where I live. There's one place I remember the other day, I saw them changing the sign. It went from $6.09 down to $5.99, and I was like, oh my gosh, gas is so cheap. And I was like, wait, $5.99 a mother flipping gallon is so expensive, and all the other places are over $6. And now listen to this. There's an article, a story that just came out. Biden says falling gas prices show that his program is working. Joe Biden came out and said, because gas prices are going down, is saying that my program is working. What do you guys think about that? Do you think Joe Biden is the hero in all this? I mean, he's claiming that he is. He thinks that because, you know, he literally came out and said, you know, I'm the one to thank for these gas prices right now. He's in charge of it. So when they go up, it's his. Anyways. Now I also wanted to talk about truck driving. There's a lot of drivers right now going to truck driving, and listen to this article. Did you know that Walmart is giving drivers $90,000 to sign up to be a truck driver? Walmart, driving big trucks is a job fewer Americans dream about doing. But Walmart is giving drivers a ton of money. So many drivers are quitting being an Uber and Lyft driver to basically do the same thing and getting $90,000 a year, $100,000 a year. Some Walmart workers, truck drivers are making over $100,000 per year driving trucks, and they don't have any passengers. They don't really got to do any of the loading. They just go and bring the big long hauls, drop it off. You know, it's not an easy job by any means, but I mean, I would say any Uber driver who's driving 10 hours a day could go easily be a truck driver, and you get a bed in your car, you get paid benefits. Uber and Lyft aren't providing those things, and people need to pay their bills, especially with the prices that gas is going up, cost of living is going up, the cost of rent is going up, food, everything's going up. And what is Uber and Lyft doing? They're keeping the rates the same, which is basically putting drivers at a question, asking them, should I continue to work this job that's easy and flexible, you know, on my own hours with less pay? Or should I quit for a, you know, 9-to-5 job working at, you know, I don't know, a normal job, I guess, where the pay is guaranteed, you don't have car expenses, and, you know, it's so many, like, what frustrates me is that I see so many comments, so many posts in our Facebook group, people saying, join our Facebook group, please, I'd love to see you over there. So many people saying, I can't afford to drive for Uber anymore, I can't afford to work anymore. This mindset is so backwards. It's like, why should you have to pay to drive? You're paying your money, your car, to drive. And if you can't afford to drive, it sounds like a scam to me. It literally sounds like a scam. Yeah, come work for us. We pay you 30 bucks an hour. Oh, but by the way, you know, you're basically spending just that much in your car expenses. And there is a smart way to do this. You know, I always recommend doing this as a side hustle, getting the tax benefits, because there are a ton of tax benefits to driving rideshare. Miles, I already made a whole video about that, but look it up in our video list. You can search, just type in tax in our videos. But yeah, guys, anyways, want to make that quick video. I just don't see Uber and Lyft sticking around too long. And I know Amazon is getting into food delivery. They just bought some of Grubhub, or they're trying to buy some of Grubhub, or potentially buy out Grubhub. And I wouldn't be surprised if they bought out Lyft and just changed the name to Amazon Rides, and you know, Uber and Lyft go belly up. So that's kind of what I think is going on, because there needs to be a new app that pays drivers better. There really does. And I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I see so many new companies coming up all the time, and it's just like, I'm waiting for the day that there's a new rideshare company that just comes over and actually pays drivers fairly, or gives them some sort of extra gas bonus, or a gas card. Maybe just, we're paying for your gas. Maybe, you know, work for us, we'll pay for your gas for the first 6 months. Or we'll pay for, like, comment down below what you would think companies should do. And there's so many people watching this video right now, I can guarantee you, that are thinking about starting a rideshare company. So comment your thoughts down below. What is needed for a new company, right? So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel, and also check out Current, our sponsor for the video. They're helping gig workers get paid up to 2 days faster if you're ever behind on bills. Sign up with the link below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.